Horsey's. Look at you. Oh, he's so cute. He's a really cute. This is the horse farm that my cousin works at. It's cute.
Anyway, now this mare is not, she's not the mother at all. She was just basically,
She's big.
She just cooked the baby up. It's another mare's egg and another stallion.
Oh, no way, really?
Yeah, and then they inseminate it, they implant it.
She's big.
The last one born.
Oh my God, look how cute you are.
Yeah, and it's a little girl, but her mom's name is Smiley.
Oh my God, she's so cute.
She looks like a little donkey.
I know, she does look like a donkey. That's
Her
awesome.
foster mother. And then this is Pearly. This horse right here is going to end up turning gray like the mom. And you'll see it with her eyes. It's around
Really?
her eyes. Yeah, see? The baby's eyes, how they're gray. So she'll shed this coat and then end up being in gray. But this is Pearly.
Cute, Pearly.
We've only got 2 girls on the farm right now.
Hi, baby.
And
Cool.
then we've got Queen Bee. Come here, Queenie.
Oh no.
Queenie. Hi, baby queen.
Oh. Hi.
This was her first baby, Queens. Look at him trying to eat hay.
He
But that
doesn't
would be
even,
like
he doesn't
Mom.
even know how to.
And then this one over here is Shady. He is gorgeous, but he's
Oh my God, he's huge.
with the baby. Yeah, look how tall he is.
Holy crap.
Hi, Shady baby.
Oh my God. It's huge.
Shady baby. He's very skittish. He's the only one that doesn't come up to you yet.
Oh.
Shady baby.
Okay.
See him over this way. They got all the other horses out because they don't have babies. These are all the babies.
Right.
He's trying to poop, I think.
Oh. I won't put that on video. All right, cool.
Just you can see out the back.
Oh, it's cold.
I know, the air always, wind comes in this. Then we got muttlocks lined up. These are the ones that will stay in the barn at night, and then you got 2 more left in that. There's another one, you can't really see